So here's how Carista works. Assuming you've plugged in your OBD adapter into your OBD port, you open the app and then you click connect. And it automatically connects to the adapter and to the car. And I'm going to show you how to do diagnostics. This functionality goes into all the modules in the car and checks whether they have any fault codes. As you can see, it's cycling through a bunch of modules, and apparently the ABS module in this car has some faults. So here are the fault codes for the ABS module. Lost communication with image processing module A, lost communication with body control module, whatever. This means that there was probably a loss of power in the car and some messages between the modules didn't get delivered or something like that. I don't know. Carista also shows you the conditions in the car when this thing happened, shows you the mileage that the car had and the vehicle speed and a bunch of other factors. And you can see that for each of the fault codes. Power steering has some errors, again, communication errors. Mind you, this is an almost new car and it still has fault codes. And I don't have any warning lights on the dash right now, and still there are fault codes in the car's modules. So it's important to be able to do these kinds of diagnostics and see what's going on. In this case, it all seems like communication errors between the modules, which is probably something that happened once and is probably not a real issue, but camera, right? Camera module. Okay. Oh, there might be some real issues with the camera here. Component obscured or blocked. Okay, obstructed or blocked. Let's see what happens when we reset them. Here you have a reset for each ECU. You can reset it individually, or you can just reset all. So let's try that. And you have to confirm, and then it goes and resets all the modules. And yep, if it stopped spinning, that means it's done. And we have 0 fault codes in the entire car now. Of course, it's fully possible that when we restart the engine, we'll get some fault codes back, because the issues that cause the fault codes might still exist. There might still be an obstruction to the sensors. There might still be an issue that the car has detected. Resetting the fault codes doesn't fix the car, but it tells you if it was an intermittent issue or if there's really an underlying cause that needs to be fixed. And in some cases, it can allow you to continue driving and avoid the car being in limp mode or anything of that sort. So that's pretty much it for diagnostics.